Hi guys, this is Pasensya, and today I will be showing you a garnish for your Aerox. So this is what I found. Actually, I tried researching first kung saan makakabili nito. Then I found some in some groups sa Facebook, and then I found somewhere in OLX, uh, sa Lazada, and sa Shopee. So, sa Shopee ako nakakita. In-order ko to nung Saturday. And amazingly, kasama pa yung tag price. And actually, I got this for like 350 pesos only. Alright. So, sabi nila, nilalagay to dito sa may headlight. And they call it KILAY. Right? KILAY para dito sa kanya. So, sa may headlight. So, for now, ito yung stock na itsura niya. Alright, so in a few minutes I will show you kung paano siya ikakabit and kung ano magiging itsura niya afterwards. So open natin siya. It's called the Nemo, the special one, gold series. It's called the Aerox Headlight Eyebrow. Let's open this one up. There's one. So, ito siya. Carbon fiber finish. I'm not sure if this is an actual carbon fiber. And ito yung likod. So, we have here double-sided tapes. Alright, so for now, I think kailangan natin linisin to para mas kumapit siya. Alright. So, punasan muna natin. So, upon careful inspection, double-sided tape din pala to. And this one also. Right. So, ito magiging itsura niya afterwards. Mukha nga naman siyang kilay, right? Okay, so tingnan muna natin. Let's dry this one up first. So, tatanggalin na natin to. Sana maganda yung quality ng double-sided tape. Alright, so that's it. Moment of truth. Oh, nahulog. So, since dry na to, kakabit ko na siya. Kadikit na siya. So, di na lang natin mabuti para lumapat. So, there you go. With kilay, without kilay. So, papalagyan na rin natin ng kilay yung kabila para terno. So, again, on the other side. Ayaw makisama nitong side na to. Alright. So, make sure na tuyo din yung kabilang side before ilagay. And there you have it. I-fix ko lang mabuti. So, there you have it. Properly installed. Mhm. So, ayan, try natin kung anong kalalabasan with our headlights on. Alright, let me just turn this on. Medyo tumabay siya, tingnan niyo. Right? So that's how you do it. That's how you install it. You can buy this online. Kaya bahala kung saan nyo gusto. I should be around 400 pesos only. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Alright? Have a good one. Bye bye.